Hello everyone, I'm Shabori from hookedinloops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, then please click the bell icon. I'm back with a cotton fabric necklace tutorial, and in this tutorial I have used the cotton fabric and painted on it the abstract painting of Earth Narishwar, or the half face of Shiva and Durga, and I have decorated it with jute border, and at the bottom I have added cowries and decorated the tassel with thread balls. For this project, I have taken a rectangular shaped cardboard. The size depends on your choice, and cover it up with a white colored cotton fabric. Okay, now we will cut the cotton fabric along the corner of the rectangular piece of cardboard in the manner I am showing you, and then we will stick the cut portion of the fabric to the cardboard with the help of a fabric glue. I have taken the fevicryl fabric glue. Add sufficient amount of glue so that the fabric doesn't come out, and press it. Okay, we will do the same thing with the remaining three sides of the rectangular cardboard and quickly stick the other three sides. So our rectangular fabric cardboard is ready. We will now do the outline of the drawing on which we will do the painting. As I mentioned, the half face is of Shiva and half face is of Durga, so we will paint it accordingly. So we will paint it using our imagination. I have taken the reference painting from Pinterest. So our painting is now complete. We will allow it to dry for some time, and then we will proceed with the next part of the necklace making. Along the border, we will be adding the jute twine with the help of the fevicryl. Okay, so we will add the fevicryl, stick the jute twine and press it, and then we will allow it to dry for some time. Okay, and our sticking is done. Just cut the extra portion of the jute twine and then we will allow it to dry for some time. Okay, so the locket portion is now ready. And then after that, when it's dried, we will just add the jump rings on the top, through which we will be passing the string. So we will just pass the jump ring through the hole made on the top with the help of needle, and then press it with the plier to close the jump ring. And then we will take the string. I made the string myself. I just crocheted it with the embroidery floss. If you want the tutorial, then comment in the comment section and pass the string through the jump ring. Okay, and then we will decorate it with the thread balls. Just pass the thread balls through the string and it's done. Similarly, we will be adding the string on the other side too, like this. You can keep it as it is because it's already looking very beautiful and classy, but if you want, you can add cowries at the bottom. In the same way, we will be adding the jump rings at the bottoms, and then we will pass the jump ring through the holes in the cowries. Okay, in this manner, and close the jump ring with the plier. You can add tassels or beads, or you can decorate it according to your own taste. Okay, I like the cowries and it's also going well with it. So our necklace is completely ready. So our necklace is looking very beautiful, very colorful and very bright, and the painting, which is abstract type of painting, is looking absolutely perfect and classy. It will match well with any kind of khadi saris or tussar material saris or kurtis. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section, and please share my video to the fullest. I have a website www.hookedinloops.com, so check it out. You will get other clay tutorials and fabric jewelry tutorials in my playlist in my channel, so check it out too. I will add the link in the description box also. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.